If someone can reverse engineer your application in 10 minutes, you don't have an app, you have a vulnerability. Security is not a feature, it's a system design principle. Let's talk about advanced security and cryptography. The end-to-end encryption. What is it? Data is encrypted on the sender's device, transmitted encrypted, and decrypted only on receiver's device. Even the server cannot read it. It is used by WhatsApp signal. How it works? Each device has a public and private key pair. Public keys exchanged. Message encrypted with receiver's public key. Only receiver's private key can decrypt it. Often uses RSA ECC for key exchange and advanced encryption standard for message encryption. Architecture decisions. Where are keys stored? What happens if device lost? Can messages be backed up? Do we rotate keys? Security is about life cycle management. The certificate binning. Normally, app trusts system certification or system certificate store. The problem, if attacker installs fake root certificate, he can intercept HTTPS traffic, the MITM attack. Certificate binning solution. App bins specific certificate or public key. If the server certificate not equal the binned certificate, connection will rejected. It is critical in banking apps, payment apps, fintech systems. The architect considerations about this: handle certificate rotation, avoid locking out users after several renewal, support backup pins. Without planning, binning can break production. Secure storage. Never store sensitive data in plain text. In Android, encrypted shared preferences, Android key store can used, and iOS, the keychain, what should be stored securely. The access tokens, refresh tokens, private keys, biometric keys, payment identifiers. What should never be stored? Card CVV, raw passwords, private cryptographic keys in plain storage. Preventing app tampering. Attackers can decompile the APK, modify the logic, bypass payment checks, remove ads, inject malicious code. Tools like reverse engineering frameworks make this easier. The protection strategy. Number 1. Code obfuscation. Rename classes and methods. Hide the logic structure. In Android, you can use library R8 ProGuard in the Gradle. Makes reverse engineering harder. 2. Root jailbreak detection. It detects rooted Android, jailbroken iOS, high risk for fintech apps, but never rely only on client detection. Always validate server side. Runtime integrity checks. Check app signature. Validate checksum. Detect debugging. Detect emulator. Used in high security apps. Play integrity app attestation. In Android, Play integrity API, and in iOS, device check app attest. These verify app not modified, installed from the official store, running on genuine device. Secure communication strategy. Fintech grade request user authenticates, token stored securely, request encrypted via HTTPS, certificate binned, payload signed, server validates signature, response validated, layered security. Security must exist at transport layer, application layer, storage layer, runtime layer. The common security mistakes: storing the token in plain shared preferences, logging sensitive data, trusting client-side validation, no certificate binning, hard coding secrets in app, no rooted detection, ignoring reverse engineering. Let's take a fintech example. When user tap a pay button, security chain, biometric authentication, token retrieved securely, certificate binned request, payload encrypted, server validates nonce, transaction signed, response verified. If any layer fails, transaction blocked. That's a real mobile security architecture. The senior engineer mindset: security is not one technique, not one API, not one library. It's defense in depth. Always ask, what if app is reverse engineered? What if device is compromised? What if network is intercepted? What if token is stolen? What if API is replayed? If you don't ask these questions, attackers will. Advanced mobile security requires cryptography, understanding secure storage, strategy, network hardening, tamper prevention, server-side validation. Thanks for watching and see you next video.